Deep in the hangar, the fighter jet sits in silence, but its engine is a giant of physics. Unlike a car, this machine breathes fire. It gulps enough air to fill a stadium in minutes, then compresses that air until it's white-hot to create the massive thrust needed for flight. The journey begins at the intake, where titanium fan blades spin with enough force to pull objects in from yards away. These blades pull in the atmosphere, carved from specialized alloys that withstand hurricane pressure while spinning at over 10,000 rotations per minute. Inside, the air enters the compressor, a series of tunnels lined with spinning blades. Here, air is squeezed until pressure is 30 times higher than outside. This makes the air so hot it glows, preparing for the explosion that will push the aircraft past the speed of sound. The energy from this explosion rushes through the turbine, acting like a high-tech windmill. The turbine steals just enough power to keep the front fan spinning. These blades are often grown as a single crystal of metal to ensure they have no microscopic weak points or flaws. The leftovers of this explosion create thrust. As gas screams out the nozzle at supersonic speeds, Newton's third law takes over. The gas goes backward with 40,000 pounds of pressure, and the sleek metal jet is shoved forward into the sky at incredible, lethal speeds. For extreme needs, pilots engage the afterburner. This is a raw fire hose of fuel sprayed into the exhaust pipe. It creates a massive plume of fire that doubles power instantly. While it drains fuel like an open tap, it provides the raw violence needed to win a modern dogfight. The future lies in adaptive cycle technology. Engines are usually good at speed or saving fuel, but rarely both. New designs change their internal shape mid-flight. They act like a fuel-sipping airliner when cruising and transform into a racing machine for intense combat. Sixth-generation propulsion integrates the engine with a plane's brain. These future engines won't just provide thrust, they will act as massive power generators. They will provide the electricity needed for laser weapons and jamming pods that blind entire enemy radar networks. We are seeing the rise of hypersonic scramjets. These engines have no moving parts. They rely on the sheer speed of the aircraft to compress air. Flying at Mach 5, a scramjet-powered fighter could cross the United States in 30 minutes, moving faster than a rifle bullet. One radical concept is the plasma actuator. This uses electricity to turn the air around the engine into plasma, reducing drag and noise. This would make jets nearly silent and significantly faster, allowing them to slip through the atmosphere with almost zero air resistance. The fighter jet engine is the ultimate expression of human ambition.